Hello everyone. Our group project is emotion detection, which is done under the guidance of Dr. Animesh Chaturvedi. Here we done this emotion detection using the NLP because we can easily do vectorization in NLP, that is natural language processing. Also we have used Python library, that is PySpark, which is open source. We use DATASET because it is informed dataset and it provides many features. Now over to Hari.
So why we have used PySpark? PySpark has various features like in-memory computation, lazy evaluation, fault tolerant, immutability, and many more. PySpark provides real-time computation on large amount of data because it focuses on in-memory processing. It supports multiple languages like Scala, Java, Python, and R. Now I will explain you about our workflow. We have done data collection, then data cleaning, we have done data pre-processing, trained our data set using PySpark, and finally we had predicted and found some accuracy. Now over to Rana.
Now for doing the analysis of this data set, we have used the PySpark library. So for this thing, first of all, we have imported the Spark session, which is in PySpark.sql library, and for this thing we have to store that Spark thing in a variable as a Spark session.builder.app name, and inside app name we can give our .get or create. And after that we have imported logistic regression from PySpark.ml.classification library because we want to do the logistic regression on our this data set. And since we have stored our data set on Google Drive, so we mounted it here in Google Colab, and after mounting that we have read the same data set which is in CSV format in a input data variable, and then we are seeing the all attributes of our input data by doing input data.print schema. And here we can see its output, that the first attribute is emotion, which is a string type and it is of 1 to 7, and second attribute is clean text, which represents sentences or texts of emotion. And then we are doing the total rows of our data set by doing input data dot count. So here we can see the output as 7447, which means that the total number of rows in our data set is 7447. Now over to Rishabh.
Okay, here we will look at what is about data set and what is our data set. Actually, this data set is a Azure data set. This is an informed data set as it has been used in many researches and many experiments in NLP. This dataset consists of two columns. One is emotion, another is clean text or say statement. So in the statement we have the statement, and in the emotion we have the respective emotion to that statement. We have 7 classes. As you can see, we have 7 classes as joy, fear, anger, sadness, disgust, shame, guilt. So this is all about our dataset. And here you can see that there is a column of clean text. We have pre-processed our statement. We have removed stop words, comma, any exclamation mark, any emojis, or any kind of unwanted thing in our statement. So after that we have come across this clean text column. So moving forward, here we can see a bar plot. So what is this bar plot about? You can see that each class, whether it is joy, fear, anger, or any guilt you take, all the classes have almost same amount of data. So this data is almost uniform data set. If user or any machine learning algorithm cannot be biased upon any type of emotion. So this is like a most informed data set available on the internet. So it is widely used in any research papers or any experiments. So now I will call to Jasmeet for further investigation.
Now we will work on dataset. We can observe that we have converted all the clean text into TF-IDF vectors. So what is TF-IDF vectors? So TF-IDF vector is a process to convert all the statement into the features so that machine learning algorithm can work on it. And also we have encoded the emotions like joy is now converted to 0, fear into 2, anger into 1, so that machine learning can understand the numbers. We have used two machine learning models for PySpark library. So first is logistic regression and second is naive Bayes. We compared both the models and now we will see the prediction. So here we can observe that some classes are correctly classified and some are misclassified. First data point is classified correctly. So first we have seen that 2 represents fear. So for fear is classified correctly, and in second we can see that 3 class is classified into 1. Means some of the points are classified correctly and some of the points are misclassified. So now we will see how much accuracy, highest accuracy we have got. We have applied 2 models and in which logistic regression gave us the accuracy of 40% and naive Bayes gave us the highest accuracy, which is 48%. So this was our model and whole prediction. These are our teammates. Thank you.